Hello everybody, my name is Gwenno Dafydd and I am Americymru's World Ambassador for St David's Day, which is quite an honour, but this is something I've been doing for a while. So here I am in the park. I thought I'd do my little speech this year from somewhere local, and this is a beautiful Thompson's Park, which you can see is full of daffodils, and there's a magnolia tree there. It's in bloom, it's blinking gorgeous. So I hope you had a lovely St David's Day. Here I am. I've been out for a run in my Welsh vest, which I got after 37 years of wanting to represent Wales in the 400 metres. So sometimes you've got to stick at things. Now this is what I've been doing for the last nearly 20 years with developing St David's Day celebrations, and this year was brilliant. So that's why I haven't got round to sending you an email or a video with this on it. So this year, what happened? Well, the Pembrokeshire banner, based on the St David's Day anthem, went out in St David's Cathedral, with the anthem being sung by local school children. The Carmarthenshire banner went out in Carmarthen. I started a new tradition last year, which is called Daffy Dipping, and I think there were 7 groups that went out this year. Let me think now. I went out in Penarth, and then there was a group in Anglesey, in Pembrokeshire, in Goodwick, and another one in Rosebush, and then there was a group in Bethesda, so I can't count. And there was supposed to be one on Pen y Fan as well, but it was too cold for them to go, and another one in Philadelphia. So for next year, start thinking about what you want to do to celebrate St David's Day. There is an anthem, it's bilingual, so if it's too difficult for you to sing in Welsh, sing it in English. Do a Daffy Dip for Dewi, but make sure that you actually sing the anthem before you go in the water. Organise your parades in schools, make your school banners, and as David used to say, Gnewch y pethau bychain, do the small thing. So I'm going to finish off here now by singing a little ditty called Cenwch y Clychau Dewi. Cenwch y Clychau Dewi, cenwch nhw mewn cofhad. Cenwch y glychau yn uwch ac yn uwch, cenwch nhw ar hyd y wlad. So maybe next year we can start a new tradition of ringing out the bells, literally, for St David, wherever you are, whether that's on a beach, in a parade, or in your St David's Day celebration. Get the local town hall to ring out the bells for St David at 12 o'clock, all over Wales. Now that would be fun. So until then, gnewch y pethau bychain, do the small things.